Hi guys, welcome to Gunner.
Hey guys, I like gardening. It's a place where I find myself when I need to lose myself. A beautiful quote by Alice Sebold, an American writer. Beautiful garden. The first impression comes to mind is a backyard, lush green open spaces with a bed of flowers, vegetables, fruits, and many more. Most of us living in cities don't have option of having backyard as we are living in apartments. We don't have control over the curb appeal of the apartment, but we can have control over our balconies, isn't it? Not only we can create green spaces, but also we can invite cute little birds to our balconies. Simply, we can refresh and reframe our balconies and create beautiful, serene, and peaceful green spaces. Maximize your spaces through vertical gardening, trellises, and wall gardening, creating succulent bowls and shelves, and also installing railing planters. All these are the options to transform your spaces into green oases. Being with plants and watching them grow. You like to see green hue at your home. You don't want to throw kitchen waste to bins. You like natural air filters. Does any one of the above resonates to your personality? I think we are sailing on the same boat. What's more, you can grow any plant as long as your plants get enough sunlight, soil, water, and little love from your end. So get ready to create green spaces with us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.